Sarah woke up screaming. Ah! She had just had a nightmare that seemed so real. She was running. Running for her life. Because she was being chased by zombies. Lots of zombies. She was grabbing shovels and hitting them in the head. Jamming sticks into their eyes. She even took an axe and chopped off one's head. And cut one in half with a chainsaw. All while she was running. Running for her life. Good thing it was just a dream. Then in real life, a zombie came into her bedroom and she screamed again. Ah! But it was just her husband, so she was relieved.
Hank.
Then he's got a name. Sorry, caught me off guard on that one. And then he asked if she wanted to have sex. And then they did. Okay, there you go. There it is. Sarah woke up screaming. Ah! She just had a nightmare that seemed so real.
Oh, it was so real.
She was running. No, running for her life. Because she was being chased by zombies.
Ah!
Lots of zombies.
Oh!
She was grabbing shovels and hitting them in the head.
Ding, ding, ding.
Jamming sticks into their eyes. She even took an axe and chopped off one's head. And she cut one in half with a chainsaw. All while she was running. Running for her life.
I'm running for my life.
Good thing it was just a dream. But then in real life, a zombie came into her bedroom and she screamed again.
Ah!
But she realized it was her husband, so she was relieved.
Ah.
And then he asked if she wanted to have sex.
No.
And so they did.
Listeners voted on the first round. The win goes to Kelly Brown. He advances to the second round.
Billy was drunk. Really, really drunk. He was walking home when he heard the growling. It was really fierce. Fierce growling. Billy stopped, terrified of turning around. And just as he did, a werewolf leapt out of the bushes at him. Billy fought back, punching the werewolf.
Pow, 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 pay bills. Pow, pow, pow,
It was gnarling and gnashing its teeth and trying to bite him. Then Billy had a brilliant idea. He kicked the werewolf in the nuts.
Boom, right there.
The werewolf howled in pain. It kept howling. And that's when Billy remembered. He had a machine gun filled with silver bullets. He fired 100 shots.
Say hello to my little friends.
Then he fired a few more. And the werewolf dropped dead on the pavement. Who knew you could kick a werewolf in the nuts? Right there, that's it.
Nice job, buddy.
Nice
Nice
job. Okay. Are you ready, Laura?
Yeah.
Okay, this is round 2.
It's hard having the person that went before you be in here too. Ah,
Kelly, round 1. Okay.
intimidating.
Okay. Here comes Laura.
I think she took a bra off,
This is
too.
round 2. Okay.
We can only hope.
Very
Sound effects
sneaky.
provided by Laura J. Boyce. Here we go. Billy was drunk. Really, really drunk. He was walking home when he heard the growling. It was really fierce growling. Billy stopped, terrified of turning around. And just as he did, a werewolf leapt out of the bushes at him. Billy fought back, punching the werewolf. It was gnarly. It was gnarling and gnashing its teeth, trying to bite him. And then Billy had a brilliant idea. He kicked the werewolf in the nuts. The werewolf howled in pain. He kept howling. And that's when Billy remembered. He had a machine gun filled with silver bullets. He fired 100 shots. And then he fired a few more. And the werewolf dropped dead on the pavement.
Down she goes.
She's hurt.
Yeah.
Watch your head.
She's hurt.
Machine gun had 2 turrets.
She... Laura Boyce right there.
Good job,
Nicely
Al.
done.
The punching
Nicely
Listeners
done.
voted, and Roadkill got the second round, and he goes on to the championship with Kelly Brown.
We're going to record this, so hi, everybody. This is the championship round of the Buzz Sound Effects Battle. We'll put these videos together and post them online for you a little bit later, so go to the Morning Buzz Facebook page and you'll see them. All right, Kelly Charles Brown, this is the championship round of Sound Effects Battle, and here we go. Mary walked slowly through the graveyard. It was a blustery night. Really blustery. She could hear the owls and the coyotes. She tried to relax by singing a song while she walked.
Day tripper, one-way ticket.
And while she walked by the mausoleum, she heard a metal door creeping open. That's when she saw him and screamed. A giant man threw the metal door open, and he ran at her. He was making growling noises through his CPAP mask. She ran to her car and jumped in. She fumbled with the keys. The CPAP guy kept grunting, breathing, and running towards her. She started the car. The car lurched forward as she hit the gas. She drove straight into CPAP Man. He was still trying to breathe through his mask. He landed on the windshield and he was yelling at her
I go get you
through his CPAP mask. So she kicked out the windshield and used a flamethrower on him until he rolled off the car and fell on the ground. Then she drove home. Singing a song.
Day tripper, yeah.
All right. Mary walked slowly through the graveyard. It was a blustery night. Really blustery. She could hear the owls and the coyotes. She tried to relax by singing a song while she walked.
I'm walking through the graveyard.
As she walked by the mausoleum, she heard the metal door creeping open. That's when she saw him and screamed. It was a giant man who threw a metal door open. And he ran at her. He was making growling noises through his CPAP mask. She ran to her car and jumped in. She fumbled with the keys. The CPAP guy kept grunting, breathing, and running towards her. She started the car. The car lurched forward as she hit the gas, and she drove right into CPAP Man. He landed on the windshield and was yelling at her with his CPAP mask on. So she kicked out the windshield, and she used a flamethrower on him until he rolled off the car and fell on the ground. Then she drove home, singing a song.
I'm driving away from the crime scene.
And the winner, ladies and gentlemen of the Sound Effects Battle, would you please say congratulations to Roadkill? There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Another champion. There you go. Champion's heart right there. Thanks for the votes.